In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. Now, this typically occurs due to outdated profile information, GPS issues, or privacy settings. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right just like so and press on the gear icon. Make sure that you are underneath the dating tab on your Facebook profile. Once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on a dating location from here. And basically, you want to go ahead and add a new location if you did move recently, or maybe you're in a new house or you're in a new neighborhood or something like that. Then you want to go ahead and just add the new location. Another thing that really plays a factor is distance. So what could be happening is that your distance is set to no preference, and then it is basically going to recommend you people who are like cities away from you, and that's not always good. So what I recommend that you guys do is actually adjust it. So obviously this will only work if you have your current address corrected, but you guys can go ahead and adjust it to your liking over here. You can set it to like 3 miles or whichever one you do prefer. But as long as you make the radius smaller, then you should be able to find people who are within closer distance to you. All right, but after you're done with that, then what I also recommend that you guys do is actually open up your device settings. Now, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your settings. So of course, this will be the exact same process regardless of whether you're on an iOS or an Android device. And all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and type in apps right over here. Then you want to go ahead and select on that. And basically, we need to give Facebook permission for our location in order for us to not get any location mismatches over on Facebook dating. So you just want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see Facebook right over here. There you go. And then you want to go ahead and select over here where it says permissions. And then from here, you want to make sure that location is actually turned on and that it is in the allowed section. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.